Screws to go into this gate, hopefully. Well, 2 hinge screws. Oh, you fuck's sake. Thanks for that, Pip. And lastly, one of these crappy green ones. Let's get something better. Oh. Take that away. Feet. Yeah, we'll do. The black thing my wife's talking about is this. It holds the EVSE holder in place. Right. And whoa. Ta-da. More or less. Bang on. I think once we get a bolt behind that, that'll be fine. Not absolutely perfect, but it's better than, it's probably better than I expected. Yeah, pretty epic those, aren't they? Pretty big. Anyway, thanks for watching.